Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this very cool thing. This is not a very specific effect, but a cool thing to learn because this green torus is a particle, mass-based particle, and these red particle following that. So there are lots of queries on social, a platform that some people really want to know how to do that. And someone also commented on my YouTube channel. So I thought let's try this. And yesterday I tried it and I figured out the solution. So you can see these red particles following the mesh torus particles and also taking the position and rotation. So to create this effect, we need three things. First thing is we need to spawn particle from other particle, and then we need to spawn particle from a mesh, and the third is particle should rotate with the mesh. So these three conditions we will check one by one, then I will combine these three to create our effect. So first, if I take a Niagara fountain, this is emit from other particles. So in this one,